popular request. Okay, one request. A little beach walk. Got 15-minute break in school. Pausa de 15 minutos. So a little walk on the beach. This is the beach. There are volleyball nets here. And a little bit further up there's a soccer pitch for football. For los niños. Jugan football. And then we've got the beach. Gracias, no. So, and then they've got these little tents and chairs you can rent. I haven't bothered yet. And then let's walk down to the water. I should have brought my hat and my sunglasses. It's pretty overcast though, so I'm not too worried. But there you go, as far as the eye can see, beach. It's a beautiful little bay, and it makes for great waves for beginning surfers. So, like I said in the previous video, you can actually, where you can see the waves crashing out there a little bit is probably about my knee height. It's really quite a shallow bay, so it's perfect for surfing. And there's always little street dogs or beach dogs hanging out, looking surprisingly well fed and mostly pretty good temperaments. This guy, I don't know if you can see him rolling around in the beach a little bit. Oh, now he's running around. But they all seem to be pretty good temperaments. They're not like wild dogs that you'd be worried about. Period. Anyways, period. Like I'm texting to you guys, like I'm dictating. Anyways, this is the beach. This is my beach. All the way along here. Full of families because it's a really nice surfing beach for kids. And then as you circle around, end up over here where we came from, and right through there is my school. Okay, back to school. Adios, amigos.